I'd give $1 million. I see you don't drink Wilkins instant coffee. What about my future? Meal without Wilkins is a mess. Let's go up to the surface for some Wilkins coffee.
Let's not. Get a life, Wilkins. I have a Wilkins set. Really? Bye and BTW, I am ruining your set.
You can't win. Coffee drinker told his wife he couldn't sleep enough.
Sonic movie kills him.
Your mission is to kill Sonic right now. How? Use the gun and kill the Sonic.
I love Sonic. I'm not going to kill him.
This is a Wontkins.
Meow. Oh, come on. Congratulations.
You killed the Sonic and you can have a Wilkins coffee.
I knew it! You are trying to make me drink Wilkins coffee to kill Sonic. You still don't like it? Wow, I'm going to hammer you.